Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz Downtown Showroom. I have a new surprise for you. We are working on a brand new product. You can see the first samples in my hands right now. These are the resin casting chains. You can easily cut them, Cuban chain, tennis chain or similar products. I have my first samples from our casting partner and we are already started designing different diamond cuts using our different machines. We will try ring maker, bangle master, faceting machine, different machines for us to design on these bracelets. Our first challenge is how to set these bracelets on the machine before the diamond cut. First idea was putting it in a straight way, and for this we have to develop attachments. And the second idea is cutting out them and fixing on the CNC machines just there as a bangle or ring. Not only ring maker, I wanna test this sample on bangle master, mechanical machines, hand cutting, different hand finishing. So that's a really interesting item. If you know this product from the market, they are really popular. And here we are testing on bangle master, and here we are testing on mechanical machines. Today is a really hard day for decorating these bangles and we have different challenges. You know that we have different pricing for different machines. Hand tools are very cheap, very affordable. Mechanical machine is still cheap, but they have many different options. Our CNC machines are a bit higher cost, but they give you opportunity for making many different designs. So we are studying all of these different technologies to get results on our resin casting bracelets. So we are testing different products every day in Bulunmaz. We are trying to develop new attachments, new techniques, new decoration techniques, decoration design. So you can always keep updated yourself about our new developments on YouTube, Instagram, our website bulunmaz.com to learn more about our latest developments. You are a jeweler from anywhere around the world, don't worry, you can contact us anytime to update your technology about our diamond cut decoration, different diamond cut techniques. So always welcome to our showroom, visit us in worldwide exhibitions and be updated about the latest jewelry technologies. Thank you very much for your time.